flight from Siem Reap International Airport to Phuket International Airport, a direct flight on Air Asia, and it was about an hour and 20 minutes takeoff to touchdown. The actual descent and approach into Phuket Thailand International Airport was absolutely beautiful. You had a really good view. I was on the right side of the plane, and to see all the adjacent islands, a beautiful flight and a wonderful landing, and a great way to start an awesome vacation in Phuket, Thailand. We stayed at the Cape Sienna Phuket Hotel and Villas, located in beautiful Kamala Beach, as you can see, right on the ocean. This is a view from the lobby. An absolutely stellar place. It delivered everything that it promised. The staff was attentive, cordial, extremely professional. I had absolutely no complaints. And what I loved about it was the pool outside, the poolside restaurant that we're looking at now. It had a spa, the Balance Spa. This is our room, the Sea View studio. Plenty of room, everything was first class. A very comfortable bed with the choice of pillows, a separate bathroom and shower, a very well-stocked mini bar, as well as complimentary water. It was just an absolutely wonderful place to relax and unwind. Very quiet, extremely clean. And as you can see, when I step out on the balcony, we have absolutely great view of the ocean. This is the restaurant adjacent to the hotel across the street with this stunning infinity pool that overlooks the Andaman Sea, and you can also have great views of Kamala Beach. The following morning, we decided to take a tour of Phi Phi Islands by Speedboat with a company called Island Dream Exploration. And I have to say that I've been to Phuket quite a few times, but I've never actually done the Phi Phi Island tour, and I'm so happy that I did it this time. Island Dream picked us up at the hotel. We took the early bird tour. We started at 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm so glad that we did that because it wasn't quite as hot. There weren't quite as many boats out there. And also, this was by speedboat. Because if you take the normal ferry boat, it takes about 3 hours to get one way to get to Phi Phi Island. But with the speedboat, it took us about an hour. Island exploration team was absolutely great. Very comfortable van, air conditioned, very comfortable seats, picked us up, took us to the marina. We were briefed. You could get towels, a new fresh mouthpiece for the mat, for the snorkeling mask if you wanted, which was a first for me. But that was a really nice touch. And just to be clear, I am not getting compensated or reimbursed by Island Exploration. I just took a chance with these guys among all the other companies, and I'm really glad I did. Mr. Bond, our guide, and the captain, well, we have free water, free drinks, free fruit. There's Mr. Hollywood that was just in the picture. He did a video and photos of you. Here they're collecting our shoes when you get on. They keep them safe. You really don't need them unless you want them on the boat. The ride was extremely comfortable, and I would highly recommend going to Phi Phi Island, and if you choose to use Island Dream Exploration, and I'll put their contact information in the comment section below.
They don't see things the same. Two like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.
The speedboat ride out to Phi Phi Island is about an hour long. It's 48 kilometers. You can really tell that you're on a speedboat. The captain really keeps it pegged out. If you tend to get a little seasick or motion sickness, they provide free motion sickness pills. As you can see, everyone was required to wear a safety vest, a life jacket, which were all very clean. The boat was pristine. It's a beautiful ride, through the ocean. You can sit up front, which is a lot more bumpy, but overall, a great way to get out to Phi Phi early in the morning and beat the crowds. We stopped at our first place on the tour, our first stop, to do some snorkeling. I've snorkeled in a lot of different places, not that many fish, but it was a nice way to start. Very nice water. It was so warm, but it's a great way to start if you like to snorkel. After a short stop in that cove, we motored around to the other side of the island to just look at another bay, another cove, a place for people to jump off and swim for a while. Again, the staff and the crew was so attentive. Your every need, anything you needed at all. And this was just a wonderful way to really enjoy an easy, carefree day in Phi Phi Island. No pressure, no drama, no big sales pitches. Just really getting to know the people that you were on the tour with and appreciate the beauty of this crystal clear, blue, green, and aqua water that is the Phi Phi Islands.
Then you have magic. One comes around one today.
After some swimming, we went around to another cove and we saw these monkeys, these cute little monkeys, and we were throwing them fruit, and even some of them dove in the water to go get it, but they were very peaceful, sort of just sitting there. And much to my surprise, I saw a mother that had just given birth. The baby was still wet, but I don't know, it was just a beautiful sight to see, and especially in this photo where the other monkeys are guarding the mother to make sure they're cool. It was a nice stop. After that, we went off to Bamboo Island, I think it is, and this is where we enjoyed a very well prepared and tasty buffet. The juice, the tea were free, but if you wanted like a soda or a beer or something, it was just a minimal cost. But it was a nice stop to let you sort of gather your breath and get something to eat if you were getting a little hungry. And plus, you can't beat the scenery. Again, Island Dream Exploration did an absolutely wonderful job. The food was tasty and the staff was nice, and it gave us sort of a chance to catch our breath in the middle of the tour. After a delicious meal and some time in the water, we were off again to a national park. Here you also had back in the trees, there was another like restroom area, picnic area, another cafe, canteen, place for you to get something to eat. Again, a great job of having periodic, systematic little stops so that you just don't get overwhelmed, because by this time of day it's starting to get hot. A lot more boats are coming out, but it was still a wonderful time that we had in Phi Phi, and I would definitely encourage anyone and everyone, if you get a chance to get to Phuket, Kamala Beach, or even Patong, you can come out to the Phi Phi Islands. Some of the islands the beaches were off limits due to the government wanting to protect the coral and the ecosystem from too much tourism, but this was a great way to put a great highlight on an absolutely beautiful vacation to Phuket, Thailand, Kamala Beach, and the Phi Phi Islands. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't hesitate to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and my YouTube channel, Ed Travels. Please stop by and subscribe at ittooktheleap.com. Thank you so much.